In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis to your constant contact emails. Emojis can add personality, help your message stand out in a crowded inbox, and guide readers' attention inside the email. The key is to place them thoughtfully and make sure they display correctly for your audience. And I'll walk you through the process from start to finish with simple tips to keep everything looking clean and professional. First, open your constant contact email campaign. This can be a draft you're currently working on or an email you've already created and want to refine. Once the campaign editor is open, you're exactly where you need to be to make changes to the subject line and the email body. Next, click directly into the subject line at the top or click into the text area of the email where you want the emoji to appear. Think about intent and readability here. A single emoji can highlight a key idea at the start or end of a subject line, while inside the email body, it can serve as a visual cue near a headline or call to action. Keep it simple to avoid clutter. Now, use the emoji picker on your device or copy an emoji from another source. On many computers and phones, you can open a built-in emoji picker from the keyboard. If you prefer, you can also copy a clean standard emoji from a reliable site or document. Choose emojis that are widely supported like check marks, stars, hearts, and common faces. Avoid overly detailed or niche characters that may not render the same way across different devices. Paste the emoji into your subject line or the email body where your cursor is placed. Add a space before and after it if you need extra breathing room, and read the line out loud to make sure it still sounds natural. One or two well-placed emojis typically work better than a cluster. Send a test email to check how the emoji displays. Send it to yourself and, if possible, view it on more than one device. Look at the subject line in both desktop and mobile inboxes, and open the message to confirm that any emojis inside the email body appear crisp and aligned. If the emoji doesn't look right, adjust or remove it. Try a simpler alternative, move it to a different position, or take it out entirely if it distracts from your message. When it looks consistent and supports your goal, you're all set. That's the entire process for adding emojis to your constant contact emails with confidence.